Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Next question. Sin square pi by 18 plus sin square pi by 9 plus sin square 7 pi by 18 plus sin square 4 pi by 9 divided by similarly cos square is what? Understand? 1 minute. Actually, the basic formula is you come here. If a plus b is equal to either 90 degrees or 270 degrees, then sin square a plus sin square b that is equal to 1 and cos square a plus cos square b that is equal to 1. This is the great result in trigonometry. Okay, right. First, sin square plus sin square plus sin square plus sin square something is there, right? Denominator 18 is there. So first we shall try to make the denominator same in all 4 values or terms. First I will do like that. Here sin square 18, sin square pi divided by 18 plus sin square into 2 means 2 pi by, it can be written as 2 pi by 18 plus sin square 7 pi by 18 plus sin square of sin square 8. 4 to the 8, 9 to the 18. Now in all 4 terms denominator is same. Similarly in the denominator also cos square of pi by 18 plus cos square of 2 pi by 18 because 2 9s are 18, pi by 9, right? Plus cos square of 7 pi by 18 plus cos square of 8 pi by 4 to the 8, 9 to the 18. Okay, right. So that is equal to just only one step. Pi by 18. Observe these two. Sin square pi by 18 plus sin square 8 pi by 18. Let it be this is capital A, this is capital B. Is A plus B is equal to either 90 degrees or 270 degrees? Let us verify. Pi by 8 plus 8 pi by, pi by 18 plus 8 pi by 18. Pi by 18 plus next last one 8 pi by 18. So that is equal to LCM 18, 8 plus 1 9 pi, that is equal to pi by 2 means 90 degrees, that is equal to 90 degrees. So therefore A plus B is equal to 90 means 90 degrees. Therefore sin square A plus sin square B is equal to 1 according to this. Next plus next 2 pi by 18 plus 7 pi by 18 same. A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore sin square A plus sin square B, let it be A B like that. Understand? Sin square A plus sin square B, or we can say alpha beta, your wish. So that alpha beta is equal to 90 degrees. So this sum is equal to 1. Similarly here what I said, cos square A plus cos square B is equal to 1. Whereas A plus B is equal to either 90 degrees or 270 degrees. So therefore pi by 18, next 8 pi by 18, same 1 plus 2 pi by 18 plus 7 pi by 18, 90 degrees. So cos square A plus cos square B equal to 1. So that is equal to 2 divided by 2. That is equal to 1. Hence the proposition. If sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 is equal to 3, then what is the value of cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3? Or find the value of that sum, cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Sum of three terms equal to 3. What is the simple solution? Tell me. This value is equal to 1. This value equal to 1. This value equal to 1. Therefore, its sum is 3. Therefore, sin theta 1. Therefore, sin theta 1 value 1. Sin theta 2 value 1. Sin theta 3 equal to 1. This is the simple solution. Okay. So therefore, actually sin 90 degrees equal to 1 by the principal table value. So theta 1 equal to 90. That is equal to theta 2. That is equal to theta 3. And put in the question. Theta 1 90. Theta 2 90. Theta 3 90. Cos 90. Cos 90 0. Cos 90 0. Cos 90 0. So answer is 0. Hence the problem. 8 sin square x plus 3 cos square x equal to 5. Then find cot x. Actually, in mathematics or especially in trigonometry, find the forms and we have the fixed procedures. Follow it blindly. Here, it is in the form of a sin square theta plus b cos square theta, that is equal to c. ABC are real numbers. If condition is of the form a sin square theta plus b cos square theta is equal to c, then we can create 6 number of questions. Means find tan x or cot x, sin x, cos x, secant x, cosecant x. Already we did know 6 different kinds of trigonometric functions. So, like that. Here, in this question, especially, he asked cot x. Question may be tan x or sin x, just like that. It is out of question. Okay. The standard procedure is, we should convert into, in terms of tan x. We should express this in terms of tan x or tan square x, for which divided by cos square x on both sides. So, therefore, let it be the given equation number 1. Next, number 1 divided by, we are doing cos square x. So therefore, dividing by cos square x throughout the equation. So therefore, 8 into sin square x by cos square x, tan square x, okay, plus 3 into cos square x by cos square x, 1, that is equal to 5 divided by cos square x. So that implies 8 tan square x plus 3, that is equal to 5 into, actually it is 1 by cos square x. 1 by cos square x is secant square x. So that is implying 8 tan square x plus 3 is equal to 5 into secant square is 1 plus tan square x. This is the standard formula, identity formula. So that implies 8 tan square plus 3, that is equal, for saving the time in the classroom, instead of tan x, where I am writing capital T only. Capital T stands for tan x, understand, like that. Understand? Okay? 5 into 1, 5 plus 5 tan square. So that implies 8 tan square minus 5, 3 tan square, that is equal to 2. So tan square is equal to 2 by 3. So that implies we want cot x. Cot x means cot square x is equal to reciprocal 3 by 2. Thus cot x is equal to plus or minus whole root of 3 by 2. Don't write only plus root of 3 by 2, because the right solution of x square is equal to k is x equal to plus or minus root k, just like that. Understand? This is the basic formula. So cot x equal to plus or minus. It is in which option? Third option. Hence the third option is right. Hence the set of questions, 3 questions are there. 3 are of same model. Here sin x plus sin square x is equal to 1. This is the given condition. Find the value of cos square x plus cos to the power of 4. Actually, one way is there. Is it possible to find the value of x randomly so that this equation is satisfied? No, we cannot find. Therefore, there is no shortcut for all 3 questions. Understand? Right. Next question. Next point. In the question, actually the given equation is in terms of sines, but the question is in terms of cos alone. Remember, we have to change this in terms of cos. This is the reason. Because question is in terms of cos. Right. So, sin x is equal to 1 minus, we can write it as 1 minus sin square x. Because if we are writing sin square equal to 1 minus sin, we cannot do anything. This is waste step. Therefore, write sin x equal to 1 minus cos sin square x. Next step is what? Sin x equal to 1 minus sin square x is cos square x. It is a standard formula. Okay. But sin x is there. So, again we have to obtain in terms of cos alone, for which squaring on both sides, for example sin square x equal to cos to the power of 4x. Square means cos square whole square cos to the power of 4. Later sin square can be 1 minus cos square x, that is equal to cos to the power of 4x. So therefore, that is 1 is equal to cos to the power of 4x plus cos square x. So this is the simple technique. So cos to the power of 4x plus cos square x equal to answer 1. Once again, you must catch the way of approaching, because what is the given equation? It is in terms of sine. What is the question? It is in terms of cos. So we must think in the examination hall, we have to express this equation in terms of cos. How? Just like that. Okay, up to this step, it is very easy. Later, sir, how can we get the idea squaring on both sides? Question says itself. Understand? Question itself says like that. Obtain cos to the power of 4. That's why we are squaring on both sides. Then we are obtaining this step, cos to the power of 4. Understand? Right. Everything says, means the question says us everything. Understand? Right. Come to the next question. Here also, second question. Here also, sin x plus sin square x plus sin to the power of 3 is equal to 1. So anyhow, the given data or equation is in terms of sign alone. Right. Similarly, so therefore, given equation, G stands for given, E stands for equation. Given equation is sin x plus sin cubed x equal to 1 minus sin square x, 1 minus sin square x. So that implies here we can take sin x common. It is 1 plus sin square x is equal to, it is cos square x. Here also the question is in terms of cos alone. No signs are there. Therefore, we shall try to obtain from the given equation completely in terms of cos alone by squaring or cubing or raising the power 4, just like that. It is your wish, but it should be according to this question. Right. That implies sin x into 1 plus, again sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. Plus 1 already is there. So therefore it is 2 minus cos square. That is equal to cos square. Okay. It is in terms of cos, but this is sin. So Tell me. Squaring on both sides. Again, squaring on both sides. Then it is sin square into 2 minus cos square whole square, cos to the power of 4. So that implies this sin square can be had 1 minus cos square x. So 2 minus cos square whole square equal to cos to the power of 4. So therefore 1 minus cos square into apply a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab 4 cos square, that is equal to cos to the power of 4. Next multiplication, 1 into 4 4, 1 into cos to the power of 4 minus 4 cos square. So minus 4 cos square minus 4 cos square. Next minus into plus minus cos square into cos to the power of 4 6 cos square. Actually x to the power of m, x to the power of n is equal to x to the power of m plus n. When the bases are equal, then add the exponents, means m plus n. In the same sense, cos square into cos to the power of 4, cos basis same, 2 plus 4, that is equal to 6 cos to the power of 6. I wrote the same. Next cos square into this one, minus into minus plus 4 cos to the power of 4, that is equal to cos to the power of 4. So therefore that is imply cos to the power of 6 4 squares are there. Next, okay, 1 minute. It is 4. First I will write cos to the power of minus 6, or I will send there. So 4 is equal to 4, that is equal already on the RHS side cos to the power of 4. Okay, I will cancel it directly. It remains 0. Next, it is what? Minus 8 cos square, means it goes to plus 8 cos square. Next, plus cos to the power of 6 minus 4 cos to the power of 4. So therefore that implies write in order cos to the power of 6 minus 4 into cos to the power of 4. Next, plus squares, 8 cos squares. You see here, cos power 6. Next, minus 4 cos to the power of 4, 8 cos square, that is equal to 4. That is equal to 4. So answer is 4. Right, you come here. You come here. Same model. Either squaring or cubing, we are doing like that according to the question and depending on the given equation. That to be. You come here. So, given equation is cos theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So, cos theta is equal to sin square theta. Remember, the given question is in terms of sin alone. So, that is imply squaring on both sides, cos square is equal to sin to the power of 4. Okay. This cos square means it is 1 minus sin square is equal to sin to the power of 4. Okay. Next, sin to the power of 4 plus sin square, that is equal to 1. That is equal to 1. Sin to the power of 4 plus sin square is equal to 1. Actually, you listen. You come here. So, the degree is, highest degree is 12. By squaring on both sides, we are getting maximum. Square means 2 4 is 8. That's why it is better to doing cubing on both sides. Because 4 into 3, 12. Right. So therefore, cubing on both sides means sin to the power of 4 plus sin square whole cubed, that is equal to 1 whole cubed. Understand? You come here. Or I will write, okay, you come here. It is in the form of a plus b whole cubed. Tell me, a plus b whole cubed is equal to a cubed plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus 1 into b cubed. At present, I will use this formula. Understand? Or another formula is there. a cubed plus b cubed plus 3ab into a plus b. It is not another formula. It is simplified form. So it is enough to by heart this one. So a cubed plus b cubed. I wrote first, right? From these two, I put I have taken the common factor 3ab. Actually, 3a square b plus 3ab square, two terms are there. So 3 common, 1a or it is ab square, 1a common, so 1a common, 1b common, then it remains a plus b, just like that. So it is not the different formula, it is derived from this only. Okay, so therefore a plus b whole cubed, algebra, a plus b whole cubed is equal to a cubed plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cubed. Understand? Observe one thing, a square, it is what? B to the power of 1. Here, what is the sum of degrees? 2 plus 1, 3. So total degree of this term is 3. Similarly, total degree of this term is 3 because a power 1 into b square. Understand? Gradually a cubed, a square, a to the power of 0. Gradually the degree, the degree of a is diminished by 1. Simultaneously, the degree of b is increased by 1. Just like, okay, it is different observation. Okay, this is a plus b whole cubed. Either this or this. At present we are using this. Okay, you come here. So, that is imply a cubed. A cubed means sine to the power of 4 whole cubed plus 3 a square b means what? Sine square. Next 3 a b square plus b cubed means cubed. Okay, that is equal to 1 cubed 1. So that is imply sine to the power of, already I said some basic formula, a to the power of m, is it visible? Whole power n is equal to a to the power of m into n. A to the power of m into n. So in the same sense, 4 into 3, 12. Gradually we are getting sine to the power of 12 theta. Okay, what is its quotient? 1. So therefore a is equal to 1. Just like that. 1 minute. I will write here. Therefore a is equal to 1. Okay. Next 4 to the 8. Sine to the power of 8. Sine to the power of 8 into sine square. Sine to the power of 10. So plus 3 into sine to the power of 10 theta. Compare with the sine 10 theta. Sine power 10 theta. So b is equal to what? It's cosine 3. Next, you come here. Plus sine to the power of 4. This is sine to the power of 4 into, it is sine to the power of 4. So sine to the power of 8. Sine to the power of 8. So plus 3 into sine to the power of 8. Where is sine to the power of 8? Here is sine to the power of 8. What is its quotient? C. Here, what is its quotient? 3. Understand? Right. Next, this is over. Lastly, 1 into sine to the power of 6. Sine to the power of 6. That is equal to 1. Sine to the power of 6. What is d? 1. So d is equal to 1. So therefore, this statement is compared with the given statement. So therefore, clearly we are having a value 1, b value 3, c value 3, d value 1. Therefore, what is the question? What is the question? Question is equal to, look at the board, b plus c divided by a plus d. b plus c, 3 plus 3 divided by a plus d. That is equal to 6 by 2. That is equal to 3. So answer is 3. Not third option. Answer is 3. It is in second option. Remember, don't do that kind of mistake. Hence the problem. Next question. sin x plus cosecant x is equal to 2. The given question is sin x plus cosecant means it is 1 by sin x, that is equal to 2. Okay, the simple solution is sin x equal to 1. Understand? If possible, sin x equal to 1. So it is 1 plus 1 by sin x equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Verified. Understand? Right. What is the question? Question is equal to sin x whole to the power of 8 plus, okay, this can be written as 1 by sin power 8. So it is 1 power 8 plus 1 by 1 power 8, that is equal to 1 plus 1 by 1. It is also 2. Answer is 2. Understand? Actually, in this question, not only 8 but also for sin to the power of nx plus cosecant to the power of nx is also equal to 2. Means 1 to the power of any finite number is 1. 1 to the power of any finite number is 1. In the same sense, it is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Hence the proper expression. If sin x plus cos x equal to a, then modulus of sin x minus cos x is what? Two methods are there. Number 1 shortcut, number 2 procedure. So first shortcut, method 1. Method 1. Let x equal to, I am taking 90 degrees. Understand? What does it mean? Sin x plus cos x is equal to a. What is x? Condition is not given. Means what? X is any real number. Why should we take unnecessary a large value, large real number? Not necessary. Simple. You can take x equal to 0 or x equal to 90, just like that. Understand? So therefore small a is equal to 90. Sin 90 1, cos 90 0. That is equal to 1. So therefore a value 1. Next, what is the question? Okay, a value. Question, modulus of sin 90. Put x equal to 90. 1 minus 0. That is equal to 1. Question is giving 1. So therefore, by putting a equal to 1, which option is giving same answer 1? Understand? Means first, once again, we are putting x equal to 90 degrees. Okay, put x equal to 90. Obtain a value. Right, next. What is the question? This is the question. This is the question. In that question, we assumed x equal to 90 degrees. Put x equal to 90 degrees. So modulus of sin 90 minus cos 90. 1 minus 0, 1. Right. Question is giving 1. Next. Go to the options. First option. It is in terms of a, all options. What is a? 1. 1 minute. First option. 1 square. A square is equal to, here, a equal to 1. Therefore, a square value 1. A square value 1. So a square is equal to 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Root 0, 0. 0. It is what? 1. So it is not matched. Understand? So by putting a square value 1, we have to search which option is giving 1, means this substitution. Understand? Next. Go to second option. Same, a square is equal to 1. It is also 0. No, our answer should be 1. Next. Root of 2 minus 1. 1. Root 1. 1. 1 minute. Wait. Third option is giving the same answer. Okay, let us verify fourth option also. Fourth option, root of a square means 1. 1 minus 2. That is equal to root of minus 1. But it is not defined. It is not defined. Therefore, definitely third option is right. It is the correct option. This is the shortcut. Okay, come to the procedure. Second method. sin x plus cos x is equal to a. Squaring on both sides, it is sin plus cos whole square is equal to a square. Then a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a square. What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? Or sin square x plus cos square x? 1. 1 plus 2 sin cos equal to a square. A square, that implies 2 sin cos equal to a square minus 1. Keep it up. Next, you come here. What is the question? Modulus of sin x minus cos x. Okay, let us consider modulus of sin x minus cos x whole square. You come here. Actually, one standard formula, you come here. A minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Algebra. It is algebra. So, a equal to means sin x, b equal to cos x, like that. So, therefore, it can be a plus b, sin plus cos whole square minus 4 sin into cos. Sir, what is the need of expressing this minus in terms of plus? Already we had plus sin plus cos equal to a. Therefore, we are trying to express this value in terms of known values. So, that is equal to, it is a square minus, actually 4 means 2 into 2 sin x cos x. So, a square minus 2 into, what is 2 sin x cos x? A square minus 1. It is a square minus 1. So, therefore, a square minus 2a square plus 2, that is equal to 2 minus a square. So, therefore, modulus of sin minus cos whole square is equal to 2 minus a square. Modulus of sin minus cos equal to whole root of 2 minus a square. Please don't write plus or minus, actually according to the formula. What I said, if x square is equal to something k, then capital X is equal to plus or minus root k. So, here we are not using plus or minus because modulus means always it is positive. Understand? If you are writing minus, it is meaningless. It is wrong statement. Understand? Or extraneous solution. Therefore, it is plus root of 2 minus a square. Okay, you come here. Shortcut, it will be finished within fraction of minutes. I did know very well. Then, what is the need of introducing this second method? Means just to recall or to explain the application of some algebraic formulae, I took second method. So, in this second method, what we are learning, a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. And this is also, we are learning, everywhere we should not use plus or minus. Some restrictions are there. In left hand side, mod is there. Mod means it is always positive. Already I explained everything in the functions about the definition of modulus function, range, codomain, domain, graph, everything I explained there. Understand? Hence the problem.